Located in Shinjuku, the #1 business district in China, annual sales volume is 23.9 billion, top 1 in China. Play for 24 hours, open until AM. It is the Deji Plaza. Now the cleaning equipment is also leading the trend. Introduce ECOVACS commercial cleaning robots to create a more intelligent and friendly shopping experience. As one of the landmarks in Nanjing, Deji Plaza has recently launched a new 24-hour business model. Appropriately extend business hours to create new nighttime consumption scenarios for citizens. We hope to leverage the intelligent and efficient characteristics of robots to achieve 24-hour operation throughout the day. Keep them all clean at all times and bring customers an extraordinary consumption experience. Facing a business hours of up to 17 hours and a cleaning area of nearly 10,000 square meters. 3 sets of M1 operate non-stop for 24 hours, with efficient dust pushing and flexible obstacle avoidance. Empowered by technology, Deji Plaza continues to lead the new trend of urban commercial culture.